Hey y'all, Mr. Schryver here. So today we are going to be talking about population density. So before I show you guys the Google slides and talk about your assignment, we are going to be able to answer this statement by the end of today's lesson. I can form conclusions about population distributions in Southwest Asia, North Africa, and Central Asia. So during your live session, you may be going over some slides, or in this case, we're going to take a look at it right now. So population distribution in Southwest Asia and North Africa. We are not going to be looking at Central Asia right now for our examples, but if you were to look at these 6 pictures, okay? So picture number 1, picture number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. So I am going to ask that you guys answer this question during your live session, or if not, just sit and think about this to answer this question. The question is, which of these comes to mind when you think of the Middle East and North Africa? Also, which of these do you think is actually located there? So the answer here is actually all of these locations. So whatever you think about the Middle East and North Africa, that is how you think. That's why it says, what do you think? It wasn't say what is factual, but actually all 6 of these pictures depict areas in the Middle East and in North Africa. So those locations, they're not just desert, though there are some pictures and there is a lot of desert. That's not the only thing that's there. They have top of the line civilizations. They have major cities that rival cities in the United States, like New York City. They are very, very up to date. Not what you would think if you think they just live in the desert. That's not accurate at all. Okay, now this picture. What do you notice about the image? Well, what I notice is there is a lot of this light radiating from maybe the edges of big bodies of water or maybe along rivers, major cities. So I'm going to make an inference that these are lights that you can see from space on the dark side of Earth. So this looks like a picture that was taken from space where you can see the lights at night in the major cities and everything. What do you notice about this big, huge, vast area here? Is there a lot of lights or hardly any? Well, this is the Sahara Desert. So you may have had your assumption when you think about this place in the world that you think of just the desert or people who live in the desert. And that's probably why, because there is a big, massive desert, the Sahara Desert here, but that's not all there is there. There is a lot of life. There's a lot of new technology, and they have pretty phenomenal cities too. So keep that in mind as you're moving forward. You can't have your opinion about a place, but make sure you are leaving your mind open to the possibility that it is not what you think it was. Okay, so your assignment today, you are going to be opening up your February 12th, 2021 population distribution in Southwest Asia and North Africa. You're going to open that up in a different tab, and then you are going to use it to help you finish your assignment for today. Your February 12th, 2021 population distribution in Southwest Asia and North Africa assignment. So your slides, when you open them up, it is going to be a picture of a political map, which we went over Wednesday, what a political map is, a physical map with elevation. So this is a mix of a physical map and a thematic map. So this is 2-in-1. So make sure you're looking there. Where it's not colored in with elevation, it's because it's not the areas we're talking about. So this area right here, that's all Manila and no color, it's because we're not talking about it. So it's not highlighted for you to look at. Now we have the population density map. This will come up several times during your assignment. And then lastly, the thematic climate zones map. So you're going to use these 5 maps to help you answer the questions on your assignment today. And that is it for your Friday. Make sure you guys turn in any missing work you have. Check your test. If you haven't taken your Europe test, your Europe retest, or even your Russia test, you need to do that. They are major grades. So that's all I have for you guys today. You guys have a great rest of your Friday and have a good weekend. We will see you later.